Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ask question in Facebook Messenger story. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to ask a question on Facebook Messenger, go and tap open your Facebook Messenger application, and if you're not signed in, make sure you are first. Now, from the home screen, tap on your story button at the upper left corner. From the options displayed at the top, tap on the text option. You can change the color of your screen by tapping on this color button at the bottom left. Pick a color of your choice, and now go ahead and type in your question. Once you type in your question, you can go ahead and change the settings for your question. Go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the settings menu. You can select the audiences for your story. If you want to set your question to public, select the public option. If you want your friends only to view them, select friends only option. And if you tap on custom, you'll get to choose the audiences by selecting them from the options displayed on the screen. After you're done, you can tap on apply at the upper right. If you want to stylize your font, you can go and tap on the option at the top right here. Once you select the option, you'll see the font has been changed along with the background color. If you want to make any kind of an edit, then you can go ahead and do it right now. And finally, after you're done and ready to post, tap on your story at the bottom right. After you do that, you'll be able to ask a question in Facebook Messenger to your friends. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.